Hi, my name is Amanda Hall, and I am the Assistant Director of Instruction at Laramie County School District Number 1. I am here today to talk about an exciting new opportunity that our district is offering for families with pre-kindergarten students. This year, we are piloting a new tuition-based pre-kindergarten program, which will be offered at Anderson and Pioneer Park Elementary Schools. Tuition assistance for families is available with a sliding scale, and we encourage you to contact the schools for more details. As part of our new 5-year strategic plan, we are working to provide a healthy environment to prepare our young learners for kindergarten. Students who attend these programs will be taught core content by certified teachers and will also receive art, music, and physical education instruction during school hours. In addition, we are working to offer before and after school care at each of the sites. 4-year-old pre-kindergarten students from throughout the community may attend and are not required to live in the Anderson or Pioneer Park neighborhoods. If you are interested, I encourage you to visit the district's website at www.laramie1.org. More information, including details about registration and tuition, are available. We look forward to working with you.